Hi everyone, this is Jason from Edulogix, where we provide you all the information you need to start your career in your preferred destinations. If you are a midwife in your home country and want to move to Australia as a registered midwife, this video is for you. In my last video, I had provided you the details of the steps that you must take to become a registered midwife in Australia. If you have not watched that video, I will definitely put the link in the description and you can also watch it after this video ends. In today's video, we will be focusing on the midwifery MCQ examination and OSCE examination if you are in stream B. As I had explained you in the last video that many of the midwives will need to undergo two exams in Australia which are called the midwifery MCQ and OSCE practical examination to gain their nursing license in Australia. The midwifery MCQ examination is a computerized examination which has around 180 questions and you get 3 hours to complete this exam. Very similar to NCLEX, this examination follows something called a computer adaptive testing. This examination will assess whether you have the knowledge and the skills of an Australian midwife at a graduate level. You will get questions from the entire childbearing continuum, which includes your antenatal, intranatal, postnatal care as well as newborn care. The questions will have a stem and 4 possible options, out of which only one option will be correct. Each of the question carries 1 mark and you must get minimum 70% to pass this exam. A proportion of this examination will have safety questions, and again in the safety questions you should be able to get minimum 70%. In the exam you will not be able to separately identify the safety questions, but it will be included in your exam. The midwifery MCQ examination is delivered by an organization called AHPRA and you will have to pay 173 Australian dollars to appear in this exam. Once your portfolio is approved, you will have to create an account on the AHPRA website, and once you have completed the $173 payment to AHPRA, you will be provided an authorization to test number by AHPRA. Using this ATT number, you can now log on to your AHPRA account and find the most suitable date for you. After booking your exam, if you need to reschedule or cancel the examination, please make sure to contact the AHPRA team at least 5 business days before the exam. Once you arrive at the AHPRA examination center, your identity will be verified and you'll have to keep your personal belongings away. You will not be able to get your results immediately and you will have to wait 2 business days to get your results on email. If you have got the 70% score, you will now move on to the next examination, which is the OSCE practical examination in Australia. If you don't pass, unfortunately, don't worry. You can resit in the examination by paying $173 again and repeating the procedure before. There should be a gap of 45 days between the 2 exam attempts, which will help you in preparing for the examination in a better manner. Now let's talk about the midwifery OSCE practical examination conducted in Australia. This examination focuses on assessing your practical skills and knowledge and whether you will be able to safely practice in Australia. There will be 10 stations in this exam, and in each of the stations you will be required to perform specific tasks. The examiner will evaluate your care management, your planning as well as your nursing skills. Let's talk about how to book the OSCE examination. So once you have passed the midwifery MCQ exam, you'll have to log on to your AHPRA portal and pay the examination fee of $4,000. Once your fee is paid, the AHPRA team will get in touch with you. If you are an offshore candidate, they will provide you an eligibility letter using which you can apply for a visitor visa to come to Australia. If you are already within Australia, the IQNM team will suggest you the possible dates for the exam and ask you to respond immediately with your preferred dates. There's only 2 days in a year that this exam is conducted, so make sure to respond to the booking email as soon as possible for you and move to the next steps. Once you have confirmed your availability to the IQNM team, they will send you the final confirmation letter 8 weeks before the actual exam, which will provide you enough time to plan your flight, accommodation and other logistics. This whole procedure for MCQ examination and OSCE examination can take up to 6 months, and hence you will need to be patient. If you need to change your OSCE examination date, make sure to contact the IQNM team at least 5 business days before your actual exam. The OSCE examination is conducted at the Adelaide Health Simulation Lab. When you reach the OSCE examination center, the IQNM team will provide you a terms and conditions document which you'll have to sign before you move to the 10 stations. Each of the OSCE station is allocated 12 minutes, that is 2 minutes of reading time and 10 minutes of performance time. The examiners mark you through each of the stations and you will be provided your final results within 8 weeks of appearing in the OSCE exam. If you pass this examination, congratulations! You can now apply for license with AHPRA and you'll have to pay $503 to procure your license. If you unfortunately do not pass this exam, you have the option to resit in the exam by paying the second time fees. Now, in terms of the preparation for the midwifery, MCQ and OSCE examination, AHPRA has published detailed documents called handbooks on their website which provides you all the information you need regarding these two exams. In this handbook, they've also listed some of the useful resources that you must go through before you come and appear in these exams. In terms of external preparation courses, unfortunately, I am not aware of any institutions who conduct the midwifery, MCQ examination and OSCE exam preparation. If you know of any such institutions, please put them in the comment section below so that others can benefit from this information. And there you have it, my friends, a comprehensive guide regarding the midwifery, MCQ and OSCE examination. I hope many of you will start this journey, and if you need any professional assistance with your AHPRA portfolio and your document submission, you can contact our team immediately. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and until the next time, my friends, stay safe and stay happy.